for the Designing Forms series. Today, we're going to learn all about the process step field in the Forms on Fire Form Designer. You're designing your mobile forms using the Forms on Fire Form Designer. Awesome! The process step field splits a form into workflow steps using tasks to move the entry between mobile users. The process step is a more advanced field that offers a ton of functionality. The process step field is the paper airplane icon on the left-hand side of the Form Designer. To add a process step field to your form, just click on the icon and a new field will appear at the bottom of the Form Designer, or click and drag your field to where you want to place it in your form. Click on your newly added field to display the properties on the right-hand side of the Form Designer. You can completely customize the look, feel, and even functionality of your field. Result options are what the mobile user can choose from on their mobile device. The option value chosen by the user determines the next step in your mobile process step workflow. You are allotted 3 result options, each of which can have a different result and button color. To use the process step field as a workflow, specify the data name of the next process step field. For example, the next process step field could be step 2, which shows the approval page for the next user in the workflow. If you're using the process field as a workflow, specify the mobile user who will be receiving the task. This can be a static email address or a dynamic value based on the field within the form. You're even able to define a complete by date for the next step in the workflow process, as well as the task description and any additional information you want that mobile user to know. Now just repeat until you have all the process steps included in your form design. An example would be having 2 process steps for a manager approval workflow. Enable users on the go to initiate, participate, and complete workflow processes. Now you know how to use a process step field in the Forms on Fire Form Designer. Call our technical support if you have any questions about this tutorial. Comment below with what you'd like to see next. Join me for our next tutorial video, Mobile Forms that Work Beautifully.